Hello friends, welcome to our channel and to the CATIA tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the groove command, that is to remove material into the circular pattern or cylindrical pattern. For that we will learn how to design a bolt and nut. We will design a bolt and a nut to learn about the groove command. By this you can also learn about how we are making a nut and bolt. So spiral is not there for today's section. We are just only learning about the groove command, and that's why section is not there. So let's start making a our first we will make a nut. After that we will make bolt. So let's start making a nut. For starting, control N, that is new part. We always start designing a single part into a part design module. So I'm taking top plane, that is XY plane, and sketching over there. As we all know, a nut is in a hexagonal form, so I will take hexagon from here, make a hexagon there. Fine, just give this length, let it be 60, and okay. Now can close the sketch and pat this along the mirror extent, that is from both sides. Make it 25 mm and okay. The hexagonal nut is here, but the hole is not there. We will make that hole also. Before that, we always have seen some curved here. It is not that sharp. It is like somewhat like this. So for that, we on this plane we will sketch. I'm zooming a little bit, putting it at the center and zooming in. Here, take the profile command like this. Make make this point and this point coincide to each other. Okay. Now take 3-point arc like this. Zooming out or just place it at the center. Now select this hole, mirror about horizontal axis. Now exit. Here we have the groove command. Groove it about the vertical axis and okay. Now you can see we got the shape which we need. Elongate. The nut is like this. Now again on this plane I will sketch a rectangle from here like this, giving horizontal dimension, tip to 20 and a square. Now give groove command to this about the same vertical axis. and okay. We have a nut hole there, giving a chamfer there. Now you can see we have a hole nut as per the requirements. If you have ever seen a nut, it is like this only. Though I haven't added those threads in it. Otherwise, nut is completed. This is how a nut is formed, making it isometric in the view. Now this is how it is formed. Okay, I'm saving it. Control S, and you can save it as nut. Okay. Now we need a new part that is bolt. So control and BART part, enter name BOLT bolt. We are going to construct a bolt and okay. A new file is opened there. Bolt is similar as the nut. Take the top part, make an hexagon there like this, giving it the same giving the same dimension that is 60 which I have given earlier. Escape, pad it, let us make it mirror extend also up to 25, fine, or we can also decrease this extend to 20 only. This is the head of the bolt. Now what next? Over here we will make that for portion. Zoom in. If you don't want to zoom, you can also do it like that, but by zooming you can get a clear or closer view of your figure. The same process I will do. Now the 3-point arc, uh, make them tangent. Okay, and these should also be tangent. Now you can increase, fine, mirror command, selecting whole of this around the horizontal axis and exit. Now group this whole about the vertical axis and okay, make fit. The head is ready. Now what, on this plane I will sketch a rectangle there. make them coincide. Okay, this is fine. Now exit and make a shaft along the vertical axis. Okay, your bolt is ready. On this edge, make a chamfer and enter. Now you can see your bolt is ready. Hope you are clear with this, how the groove and shaft command is used. Here we also use another one which I haven't mentioned earlier, that is chamfer command to remove the sharp edges. This is how it all is done. Hope you have clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment box. So thank you. That's all for today. We will meet in another video.